Hello, my name is Adam Bean, and today I would like to find out how long does it take to install or run the openliberty application server, which actually supports Java 8. This is the open source variant of IBM WebSphere, and then use a health check application, Java 8 application from my GitHub account, clone it, build it, and deploy it on the server. So interestingly, it comes, we can download the openliberty right away, and under view more downloads, there is a Java 8 specific download. So because there is already one, so let's use that. And I downloaded actually both, and take a look at that. And what you see is we have the openliberty, which comes with 117 megs, and the Java 8 variant is actually smaller, so it's just 100 megs. So just use that. So I would like to use the leaner variant, which is Java 8. So now it's downloaded. And so at the first run, it will set up a default server. So let's do this. I would like to run the server, and run is in foreground. Start would run it in background. So let's do this. So the default server is launched. And now it will complain that this security is not set up. So all the sub modules are started. So what we can do is, or what we should do, I would like to configure the WebSphere application server or the openliberty application server. How to do that? There is user, servers, default server, and server XML configuration file. And the server configuration file, I will have to activate the user here. And let's call my username is Duke, and password has to be longer than, I think, 6 characters or something like that. And the key store password is going to be also at least 6 characters. And the nice thing is it just picks up the configuration on the fly, and yeah, it works right away. So good sign. Now let's go to the microservice, copy the URI, and I would like to clone it. So git clone ping should be cloned. Then I will switch to ping, then build it. So there's nothing to clean. So package should be enough. So should create a war. War is created. Now I can copy the war. This is target. Copy ping target ping war into WLP user servers. It was, I think, default server exactly, and drop-ins. It's not auto deploy, it's drop-ins. It should immediately deploy the application. Yes, it took 1 second. And then the pod is different, is 9080. Is 9080 is the liberty, and on the ping should be the app. And with ping, it works. So nice. Now, what we can do, or should do, I will try to connect with a JVisual VM and see how much memory a full IBM profile actually consumes. So go here, monitor, perform GC, and so you can see it consumes about 48 megabyte of RAM. So thank you for watching. See you at airhacks.com, online courses airhacks.io, or once a month at airhacks.tv. So thank you and bye.